Hi friends! So in this video I'm going to show you how you can print on pre-cut paper. Like here, this one's a pocket size paper. So first on the create page, when you have your planner, for example this pocket size insert, you want to click on export only PDF, and then it will ask you if you want to print it on pocket size, A4 or US letter size. And if you already have the pre-cut pocket size paper, just click on Pocket and then click on Generate PDF. Click on Download PDF, and here you go. So now you have a pocket size PDF for the front and for the back page. So let's download this planner and let's call it Skincare Pocket Size and save it. So let me quickly open this planner in Adobe PDF Reader. So open with Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, and here you go. Then click on Print, and now you see that the paper size is 8.11 inches big, but the actual document is only 3.2 times 4.7 inches. So what we will have to do now is you will have to install or add a paper size that is exactly the size of this pocket paper. So go to page setup, and then here you can go to manage custom size, and then you can add a new size, and let's call it pocket. And here you can type in the exact size of the paper you're printing. So I'm printing on pocket size, which is 82 millimeters times 119 millimeters. And there you go. Okay. Click on actual size or custom scale. And then you want to feed in this paper into your printer, and then just click on print. So here's the pre-cut pocket size paper, so put it in there and then also adjust the slider, and also make sure that the holes are on the left side of the paper, and then print the insert front and back. So here you go. This is how it should look like, and if you have any more questions, feel free to message me on Instagram or Facebook anytime, and I will try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can. Bye!